Today we're going to be testing the VuManChu Swing version 2, so let's get straight to it. Hey trader devs, my name's David and welcome back to the channel where I go through trading strategies that I find on YouTube and on the web. I then code them to debunk the bad ones and find the good ones. As I said, today we're going to be looking at a trading strategy which is a swing trading strategy by VuManChu, a strategy that uses a channel that he actually promotes on his Discord channel. The reason we're going to be doing this is that somebody suggested it to me on my Discord, that you can find the links below in the description. And I got a bit interested into the strategy and found something on TradingView, so I thought we'd go out and test it. Okay, as always, if you'd like to add my strategies to your TradingView, you can find them all on TradingView. After a slight problem this week, I've actually decided to make all of my TradingView strategies private so that I don't have to waste my time going through the moderation periods and for waiting, etc. for TradingView. So if you'd like to add my indicators, which are still free, you literally have to go to the website, which is down in the description, which is www.trader.dev. You can find all that information down below. So I guess the best thing now is to get to my computer and let's start coding and have a look at this strategy. But if I can ask you, for a couple of seconds of your time, if you do enjoy the video, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. It helps me to get a bit more known in the community. And also, if you want to see more videos of me and these strategies, that's not me, the strategies, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, let's go over to my computer. Okay, here we are on my computer and giving credit where credit is due. Here is VuManChu's page on TradingView. If you want to find it, you just have to literally search VuManChu on TradingView. He has a couple of indicators that he's actually made, but he's mostly known for, or I believe that he's mostly known for, is the Market Cipher B decrypted code that he did. Market Cipher B was an indicator which was made by CryptoFace, and which is a premium one, and he actually decrypted it and made a free open source version. He actually got the code from mainly from Reddit and from other places, and he stuck it all together and made an indicator which pretty much gives you the same example as Market Cipher B. Okay, so what we're going to be looking at today is his premium indicator, which is the VuManChu Swing version 2. And this is one that he actually sells for about, I think it's 0.01 of a Bitcoin, so quite expensive for a year, and we're going to be decrypting that today. So the reason I did this was because I was actually looking for the results of this on the page, and somebody on my Discord told me that it was a good indicator. And I like always say, if it's a good indicator, you should pay for it, especially if it's an original indicator. But this one I went through all the way down to the comments, and the first thing that I saw was, don't buy this. Yep. Simply search for range filter and put it at settings 9 and 1.9. It's a copy of another indicator and snapped on over $200 to $400 charge, which I think is a lot more than that now. Okay, so that is what I did. I'm going to go away and see if I can find that indicator, which of course, you know me, I did, and we're going to have a look at that one now. Okay, so I found the one that they were talking about, and as you can see, it looks a damn sight like it. So it's this indicator here. When you put the two together, it actually seems to give exactly the same entries and exactly the same exits. This was inspired by the QE, which we looked at in another video, and we've got the code here, so I'm going to go and copy all of that code into a strategy so that we can backtest it to see if it's any good. Right, let's get over to TradingView and have a look at the strategy itself. Right, okay, here we are on the strategy. As I said, it's based on the QEE. I just put that there just to show you. If I remove that now, all we have is our red and green cloud here. To add this, I literally went over to indicators at the top here and clicked indicators, and I literally went and searched for range filter DW. Now I'm going to convert this into a strategy, so let's have a look at the strategy and how it works. So the idea is okay, so the idea of this indicator is like many channel indicators. When we cross over the top into the green area and we actually even break above the green cloud, we're going to be taking a long, and when we're in the shorts, we're going to be going into the red area. And so when we're below that red area and closing below it, we're actually going to be taking a short. So let's get back to the computer and have a look at that. Now back at the chart, I've actually just put the dark thing back on because it was glaring my eyes out while I was trying to do the video. So anyway, right. So we're looking for a long position here. So if I go here, the first one that jumps out to my eyes is here, this one here, as we climb above the green cloud here. As you can see, we're going to actually enter around there. Now, we don't have a stop loss in the strategy. It literally is we're following the trend until we come below the red and close a candle below the red. So this one would actually go all the way from this candle all the way up here and then come back down, and we would actually exit here where we'd enter a short. So this would have been a win of, this is roughly speaking here, roughly about 3.2 to 3.5%. And then the other way around, as this comes outside of the cloud here, we would have added a short position here. So we would have converted our long into a short, no stop loss, and we're literally going to be following it all the way down until we come back outside of the cloud over here. Now, I'm sure that there is better ways of finding an exit, but let's have a look. So we come out of it here, we come all the way down, we come all the way down here, and then we come all the way back up where we would have exited here. So we would have made, roughly speaking, about 3.8%. Now the exit indicator doesn't look great to me, but the entries seem quite good. So let's backtest this with code to see how it works. Right, first thing I'm going to do is go and have a look at the code here. We're going to copy and paste that code as always into my indicator, and we're going to create a our own backtesting, so we can backtest it, and you'll be able to download that on TradingView, so you can backtest it and use it with bots, etc. As always, right, let's get started. Right, here we are back at the indicator. Okay, I've literally done as I said. It didn't take me very long because it was one indicator only. So we're just looking at this indicator for entries and exits. So, right, okay, as I said earlier, as price comes above the green area, we're going to take a buy position as it and follow all the way up until it goes into the red area. And then when it's red, we're going to do exactly the opposite. Excuse me. Right, okay, so that is what we've done. Now what I guess what the best thing to do is have a look at the actual backtest results, because I think they're actually quite impressive. Drum roll please, let's have a look at the backtesting results. Okay, as expected, they're quite good. As you can see, we have a 45.2 percent profitable. So I reckon that we could probably do better than that with maybe some confluence with other indicators, but it certainly is good. We have quite a large max drawdown of 21.91%, which could, I reckon, also be improved by adding something, either the ADX to filter out bad trades or something like that. Average trade is 6.84%, and we've closed 177 trades. And the net profit is 1,211.55% on the account, which is absolutely amazing. So let's have a look very quickly at the list of trades to see that when that was since. So that was 2019, so it's just over 2 years almost, no, just 2 years. So still a very good percentage for 2 years, 1,211% in 2 years. Who could complain? I mean, very good. And that's only on Bitcoin. As I said earlier, you could actually use it on other currencies. If we chucked it over across to Ethereum, what would that give us? That'd give us a further 200% and a 41% win rate. Now, he actually suggests that we put this on the 15 minute. I'm actually on the 1 hour, so let's have a look at the 15 minute. That's actually taking us down to 39.87%, but maybe if we play around with the settings, we could get that better as well. Okay, at first view, this seems to be quite a good strategy. Who can complain about 1,200% in 2 years? So if it really is true, it could be quite good. I'm going to continue testing this strategy in my Discord. I'll also update you if it's good in my YouTube stories. You can also join me in Discord, where I do live coding and live trading every day from 9 AM until midday. The link to my Patreon is down in the description where you can join me. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. If you want to add the indicator to your TradingView, the link is also down in the description. And without further ado, I'm going to wish you a lovely day and say keep safe and keep coding. Have a good day. Goodbye.